Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to another video. Just finished work and today we're gonna go to Dandenong. I think we're gonna pick up a new bumper for JM's car, and yeah, but before we do that, we're gonna head home first and do a change oil on my car, and probably we're gonna leave about 5 or 6 p.m. today, and hopefully we're gonna come back with a good bumper for JM's car. So I think Gab's gonna help me do the change oil, so it will be much easier for me and so we can leave earlier. So I'm driving home right now. Bit of traffic in front, but it's all good. I'm gonna get home maybe about, I think it's 3:30 now. I'm gonna get home maybe by 4 or 4:20, I think. So yeah, I'll see you guys at home, and we're gonna do a change oil before we go. What's up guys, just made it home. I've already jacked up the car. It's on jacks right now, and I'm about to get ready to change the oil, but it's still hot, so I think I'm gonna wait 5 or 10 minutes. And Gab's here. Here's Integra, and I don't want to show you guys the change out because you probably know how to do it, so I'm just gonna do it. And while we're waiting for JM, because he's the one getting the bumper today. So all right, I'll see you when James here, and I'll catch you guys later. Yo guys, just finished the change oil of my car, and JM is now here, and we're now leaving to Dandenong to get his bumper. And yeah, we're going to have a little road trip, and we will bring you guys along. Yo, what is up guys? We are now on our way. We are now on the freeway, and I think is it traffic?
No.
Yeah, but we're now on our way. We have about an hour drive to Dandenong, and you already know the broke boys gotta have their fucking $1 coffee from 7-Eleven. As always, and yeah, I'll see you in Dandenong. Underneath the chandelier, we're dancing all night long. There's no reason to hide what we're feeling is right. So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Ooh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor. Baby, it's a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I'll bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. We still don't wanna run to the one that I belong to. We still don't wanna run for. Para sa sariling kapakanan, kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Mga oras na hindi na mapabalikan, pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. guys, so I think we're just 5 or 10 minutes away. 5 or 10?
3 minutes.
3 minutes away, so we're just gonna grab some cash to pay the bumper. Yeah. And there's police in the servo, so yeah. So we just made it to the servo. Just gonna grab some cash.
I reckon the car's stolen.
Is it stolen?
Yeah, probably.
You can see the red and blue lights over there.
Yeah, there's heaps of cops.
They just, I think they pulled over someone. I don't know for what reason, but let's check it out.
Oh, yeah, drugs, bro.
Huh?
Drugs.
Is it drugs?
Yeah, they're holding a fucking Ziploc bag.
Oh fuck. Shit. So we made it to the servo. We're just gonna grab some cash and
There's gun as well. There's gun on the Ziploc
oh
bag.
shit, oh fuck. So as you can see, there's cops behind me. They just pulled over someone. I think it's, I don't know what's that, but it's a bit scary though. We're just gonna grab some cash and go to the toilet. We're just I think 3 minutes away from the guy that we're gonna buy the bumper. Alright guys, so we got the cash. We're about to leave the servo. And
We just find out what's going on.
yeah, I think it's about drugs and
Someone has a gun as well.
yeah,
Inside the
so
car.
Gab saw a Ziploc with a gun and I don't know what's inside, but it's
pretty
very
fucked up.
scary. Yeah, it's fucked up. So we're about to head to the guy to take the bumper, and yeah, see you guys there. All right, guys. So we got the bumper. It's pretty rough, but we're gonna make it work. I'll show you in a bit. So that's the bumper. James going for the 96 to 98 Type R look, so it's pre-facelift without the moldings. I'm just trying to load it to the car now. If James can open the doors. Yeah, hope you guys can see. It's a little bit dark.
Doesn't want to open it. Put
Here
one
we
in
go,
here as
guys.
well.
3 guys and 1 bumper.
Good.
We're a bit struggling to put it inside the car.
Can you pull it?
I don't know why
Wait.
we got a fucking SUV and it's still
Yep.
pretty
Now
hard
we're
to
good.
put in.
Put it
Oh, there we go.
on the end. No, you're good. Yeah. There you go.
And he got space. Look at that. Yo, we just got the bumper to fit the car. It's, as you can see, it's right here beside Gab. I think we're gonna make this one video for you guys until the day that JM's gonna put it on. Yep, and I think he's gonna primer it, sand it a little bit, so because his car
It's gonna
is
be a big one.
yeah, because his car is currently on primer now, and he wants to do this bumper also. So when he put it in, it's gonna be one color. So yeah, we're gonna make this one video for you guys. Stay tuned. Morning, guys. So it's been a couple of days since we got the bumper, and the boys are already working on it. There you go, because we have a cruise tonight at Boulder Bridge, and James planning to put the bumper before we go to the cruise. So they're working on it now, sanding it down, and they're gonna put primer on it, so his car is gonna be one color. Show you the back as well. The back bumper is being sanded as well, so it's gonna be one color. And again, it's Saturday and I got work, so I'm gonna leave you guys with JM and Gab. They're gonna put this one on a time lapse until they put it on the car, and I don't know which one of these guys is gonna close the video tonight. Maybe it's gonna be JM.
Most likely me.
Oh yeah.
Most likely me.
Yeah, and Gab just gonna annoy us,
Yeah.
JM, for the rest of this day. So
My job.
yeah, so we're gonna make another video for you guys because we're gonna head on a cruise tonight, and yeah, this bumper install is gonna be one video, and we're gonna make another video for the cruise. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. James gonna take over this vlog.
Okay guys, so we just finished painting the front and back bumper for my EK. So as you can see, I'll flip the camera there. So that's the back. Went really nice and smooth, pretty easy to do. And then the front bit with my EJ with the new bumper there. Okay, that's it for this vlog. I think I'm in a bit trouble with Kevin just because I forgot to vlog the whole lot, but me and Gab will be alright. So things is already done, and then EK is looking good, so it's time for a quick wash, and then we're heading out for the meetup that we set up as well. So we'll see you then. See ya.